Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop pop-up ads on your Android phone. Now it really depends on what kind of pop-up ad you're talking about. If it's in a web browser or just on the home screen, everything keeps popping up for you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to turn this off just in Google Chrome. There's some options in here to stop pop-up ads. So if you go to Google Chrome in the top right, we can see the three dots. Tap that, scroll on down, go to Settings. And then we can scroll on down and we can go to where it says Site Settings here. Now this does actually work quite well if you have these turned on. So under Google Chrome, just look for the pop-up ads and redirects right here. And make sure this is set to don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. Okay, so we have that turned on, and then we have intrusive ads blocked on some sites. Set this right here. Ads are blocked on sites. Okay, so you can see it as an example now on one of my favorite news websites, n4g.com. The ads are just kind of blocked out here. You can still see the space. Now if you go on over to the Google Play Store, there's other web browsers too that can do that as well. Then if you are having ads that are popping out on the home screen here, go to your app list and just look through here. Go up and down, and there could be an app that's just being super annoying that's causing this issue. So maybe it's like this web video one, for example. I can just go to it and I should be able to delete it. I don't know, I just grabbed it to the home screen. Well, let's go to delete on it, and there should be an option to uninstall. So uninstall apps you don't know. So a lot of these can maybe just be installed with something you accidentally clicked on, and that's why they're on your phone, and boom, they're gone. And we can also do this through the different app lists too on our settings. So on the top left now, if we look, we might be getting a lot of these annoying notifications that are popping up. You hear these dings and clicks. And go to notification settings if that's not working. So maybe that works on my other phone. But we can go to the notification settings and we can just turn off the notifications for that specific app. So AVG, that was annoying me before. Google Play Store was annoying me before. I can see the symbol right there. And you can see it's getting removed. And then I got the Tesla app on there. So that just removed those. So site settings or notification settings down here. And you can just turn off those annoying notifications that you see popping up. So I can see the name of it, Tesla app, okay. And just look for that symbol. So Tesla app just went away. And now it's gone. Okay, so that's good. Another thing you can do is go to settings right here, scroll on down, and we can go to security and privacy. And then we can go on over to app security. And we can go to app protection. And you can just do a quick malware scan right here if you turn this on. And that might work well here. And then we can go back. Let's go to app security one more time. We got Google Play Protect, and it's going to be a similar thing where it will just scan for apps that you might have accidentally installed. But a lot of these apps that are being installed are legitimate apps through the Google Play Store. So it might not delete them, so we have to go to the Google Play Store one more time, go back here, and get something called AVG antivirus. So go to search AVG, go to search AVG. Antivirus for Android. AVG antivirus for Android. Click on this. We don't need the cleaner. That might be helpful in the future, but that's the sponsored one. We want to go to this one. Antivirus and security. Install this on your phone. And yeah, this is going to have a lot of ads on it. But just go to scan. And this will scan your phone now a little bit better than the ones that are built in. And it might find those annoying pop-up ads or the apps that it's causing it. I want to remove it. Malware apps. So that's probably what you have on your phone, a malware app. And then once it removes it, you should stop getting those pop-ups all the time. So you can look through here. Also, if that's not resolving it, you can look yourself by going to apps or settings and scrolling down to apps under this screen. So here's apps. And just look through here. You might have accidentally installed something. You might have an option to sort by last updated, last used, or something like that. maybe last updated, and let's look at this list and that might work, and you can just find the app under here and just delete it if it looks weird. So there might be something under here that you might accidentally downloaded. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.